ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
National Vice President Jongka National People's Party uba Preston Tensong haka RPR tarik ubna rempang arajar RPR ula Pynbna baka MDC Jongka People's Democratic Front Umsning Constituency kokong Magdalyne Saukmi Mawlong kabala penya sok kum ka khot bapura Jongka NPP kan long ka kertong na Nongpoh Constituency kat ba uba Martin M Danggo un long u kertong Jongka NPP na Ranikor Constituency haki election saka yengdor ba an kejela kaban salong haus nam arhajar arpulai hagajing yalang priang borom ye kakong Magdalyne Saukmi Mawlong ya uba Martin M Danggo bad uba man study nongrem ha office trai kam jong ka party hanong ba shalong la sakhi lang do national president jong ka NPP u Konrad Konggal Sangma kintobru state president jong ka NPP u Dr WR Kharlukhi ki nongelam jong ka party lembat ki nongkershan jong ka United Democratic Party na Ribhoi district ki bala penya sok pura bat ka party NPP.
Nanta iba Lawrence Nongrum pada General Secretary jong UDP Ribhoi dan kumjoro Secretary jong UDP CEC tur kani kadai kasngi gabak kerpang haga bangatrai ngilayu I yakiniki nongyalam na ki constituency ki baper ki ba hakane ka sngi hangne hapo ka party office jongi ngi penbiang ya kapan pediang sngo bahaya ki syaka jingrung party ki jongi iwe na kita idei iba Danggo iblalong u MLA u speaker lalong minister jongka jela ke jongi kini kisnem ke belalek no bahar ikong Magdalyne I MDC na po umsning konsensi iba yawan rengkat bat ki leaders ki jongi paro ngiyo I yang neki leaders sang tena Ribhoi na Nongpoh konsensi kiro rangba ki bangan namjar kerteng na marngatip bahas pang jompi ya karai ke jompi ngilai kendu hapo office jonga la arsin laisin ki leaders na po Nongpoh konsensi barokawe kublai syajar ngu piru klayawan lang ya kaban join bat ngi hakanika sngi bat kumju ru ya iba man study nongren ude u XCM u MDC jongka langrin lanika Ranikor kabangi ong menta labun totally kisnem bat iru menta rengkat lang baru badangku kilaiwan banjoin bat ke parti NPP ke jongi nanta na jan kia hilsu kilaiwan ni ka banjoin ki jongi ma Pak Thomas nong tedu kia don ke jong Pak Defend nata jong kong sela bat kiwe kiri orang ba kiwe don lang bat ngingi pediang skong bahaya pi paro syaka parti NPP kat banang mi kasnem katangi nang sngau saat ha ka jingir krekam na kalian ke parti ban ngangai scam bah ka arajar arpula election ka bangi persyang ka bala kalong bangin yo ya ka majority ha ka ni ka arpula election habang ong kumta kamut benong bangin ben laningin bread ben ya kini ki coalition partners jongi tenrei ka commitment jongi ka yayat tenrei ka bangi kwa na kaliang ka party NPP bangin poi syakathong bat kata kalong bangin numduna ya ka lai pu lai seat bangin yo hapo ka jela mekla jongi menin kesni I chief minister balong national president bat nga ginangyawan ng te na po Manipur election. Nganyo to ipiang te kan sa don kajingkala kabajur. Hakaba imat nginum dunay kakasaw kan sa seat nginyo. Uarjar kanyo ngiyo tang saw seat. Teringa ong pimenta kaganti. Kajing Ïakhun kalong hapadeng ka NPP bat ka PGP. Kata kadai kajing klan jong ka parti NPP jong i hang ni hapo Northeastern State barok koi hapo ke jelam jong national president jong i balong chief minister hapo ke jelam jong uba Konrad samna dengan ko aban ong hakane kapor ni pediang sngau bahaya pi kini ki leaders kabang suka aban ong ya pi kandiat kan mau bah pelajuan si ka parti pi ong iba Danggo piong yai tong mak niladon lepa ke jing ya penbe tang balong ke prosedur ke saya ke jing penbe kelong ngasyu tu lepa ya pi tambah ke saya nya blok bai kong mak Ïakhun na Nongpoh bat ka ba iba Danggo Ïakhun na po Ranikor tanba ko bang kini ki arteli ki konsensi na kwa ban batai lepa minhap ban restructure ya ke blok NPP Barokaway. Tengah kerpat i presiden juga state president Dr. Kaluki bin penmi ikoda hakaba kin restructure ya ki blok komiti jongki bat barim bat batemai ban ya donlang kena menginang ya klain. Ngatai kata de kabudun kamer. Tengah kerpat ya i presiden badon burom jengi i Dr. Kaluki bin Saleh kabudun kam tam hakini ki arteli ki konsensi kumbang ong pi ka pengilip penbet kawai ke Nongpoh blok bat ka ar ka Ranikor blok te kata ka de ka pangakwa ban ong nak le jungi sai sen ban ngam ka ban burkitin ngap diang sgo bahaya kini ki leaders barok ki arteli kini ki konsensi bat kumju uru na Jantia Hills na po Kleriat piong nang te na po Sutnga ki bayadon lang hakani ka por ban ya join bat ni haka parti NPP ngakan ben scam kajing yawan ke jompi ki join jompi ban ni kanang ai bor kanang ai mesin batru kal air kanang be naga benta ka parti
civil subdivision lengba jong kajing arab jong chief minister badon burom jongi kibru jong langren constituency claims ngusu yang wadla katanga lak knia yala jong Banwandra civil subdivision daka resignation ru hadin ngala le biang na ka NPP bere ki kan tight no yanga tena ka ngala sarem hagare ka by election ba araja katna kapra de hadin ka to nga perkat to haba ki fight ba non kristan jungi la kan tight yanga bade mento ya isu bana ya le biang tengam don mensimshu ban ya le biang ban join in active politics to be in the active politics. I have no more intention at all. So let me help anybody whomever I feel like-minded parties or yeah. But thereafter suddenly 2 messengers of Honorable Chief Minister reached my residence at Munai near Ranikor. Honorable MLA Jigur Mertong, Honorable ex-MLA Nihimdi Shira came to my residence and conveyed the message of Honorable Chief Minister. Honorable Chief Minister would like to meet you if you are free. He has sent us to convey this message. I was shocked. Although I have resigned already from the NPP with no intention anymore to contest any further elections, but still then, the brotherly feeling that I received from the Honorable Chief Minister through his messengers, I was really moved. Thereafter, I came to Shillong, I met him, then I have conveyed the message, sir, yes, I don't have any grudge against you, against your party. In fact, I should be always grateful to you for the gift of civil subdivision, which was a distant dream for us to get civil subdivision in the remote corner of Ranikor. So I cannot forget you. I cannot forget your good work for the Ranikor constituency. However, sir, I have to consult my people, my leaders, whether they are willing me to send back, they are really willing me to contest again or not. Let me know their minds. So in the month of October 2019, my leaders at Ranikor, on the 23rd of October, they have gathered a huge meeting, but there they have unanimously decided Danggo should contest again, but which party we will leave up to him. Which party he wants to contest, let him decide. That was the decision. Thereafter, the grassroots levels, why only that 120 people will decide the fate of Danggo? Why we are not voters? So we should be given the opportunity to have a say in this decision. So thereafter, we have to send the letters, the message to each and every polling station that whether you want Danggo to contest again or not. If he contests again, from which party, that you have to decide. That was so it took a long 2 years to come to the conclusion. After thorough consultation, hadin lare consult bnia napne ki grassroots level, but kamtam ek ni ki leader badon hakamat mata ta santai la poisa ka conclusion ni pabe dia Danggo bande biak sa sisen job le remdro tang bangin pano naka parti NPP hi tenagrau habalarai maki ngaong katbamon larang pipa sa dujok dengan lebet habang pi majority lamon larai badengan lekum nosu ngade mon jur bet la pasa dujok ro hadu katar ngala jupam de mataga singi katkum karai jongki de ngi la pun ulung no mataga singi ngi bandrung no hakmat jongki sakai NPP with the full hope that NPP can give better service to our state and to the nation as a whole.
I would like to contribute to the best of my ability to work for the welfare of all. We have observed that no other government or party has taken sensitive issue like this government does, and has brought a drastic change in the state as a whole. With the dynamic leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, who is also the National President of the party and our Deputy Chief Minister, we would see the drastic changes in the state as a whole. We look forward to work with you hand in hand with your support and your suggestion and your advice. Niem artatien bahau arajar pulai kalama jong ke NPP kan kawe habro assembly ke district jong garib hoy. Kajinga trailam ka jong pi kalong ka bor. Ai bakadong bat kathan jong garib hoy kan pernai. Da kajing yasno ktilang ka jong pi. Da kajing e bakajing yatli. Se sashi sin na soban ai kublai kerpang ya pi. Kublai shibun, thank you. Kordom hakakot.
Hakane ka by election ngalong again si Ba Martin Mendako. Ngalang Christian ni Ba Pius Marwin. Sorry for that. Mentang ilapoy biang syaka jingi kendo. Bania perkhat benia bahaya kali. Namarang i kibun kidau. Kibide rengkat bat ka konstituensi ke jungi. Ngisule ran ban pai syaka Ranikor konstituensi. Hagi jogo por ngisule ran ban pai syaka state ke jela miklia ke jungi. De kata kadau ngila sim be rai. Ngila syang meeting la bon sin. Rengkat bat ki leaders ki jungi. Kita nang de sibun ki leaders jungi ki main leader ki bawan hang de ban senran lem yai Ba Martin hagade gopor tina kata kadau ila sim da ko igarai ban pha ile biang ngi badang ko saisen ba Ïakhun nagane ka parti NPP bat ngi kermen bat ngi da ai ka asyaran hapi ka parti NPP baro bangin tray hitam ban penjob how does them arajar arpulai ngai ke ding tray hitam kan long ka jingjob bat nga community bangka parti NPP hangni hagi jela Meghalaya jui kan wan biang sakabor sai sesin bat ngatrai bat ngida community ba ka parti NPP kan wan tang maka hagapor banyo ban rule ya ka sarkar hagada jela Meghalaya jui